Hey friends of mine, this is step 4 in the Mastering Your Year series. My name is Alina Dompt for those of you who are new around here, and I love digital planning. This is a 10-step series, and step 4 is devoted entirely to self-care. This is essentially a quick and easy start to preparing for the year ahead, or perhaps you've just gotten your new planner and you'd like to start fresh. Right here is a good place to start. That being said, make sure to go back and watch the previous steps if you haven't, so you are better prepared for this one. Self-care has become sort of a big deal in the last few years, and although I think it is very valuable, I also believe that it needs to be well-rounded and in moderation. The purpose of self-care is to take care of yourself, and we want to take care of the whole you. So let's start from the very beginning. I want you to write yourself, your 2024 self, a letter. Tell yourself how you're feeling, what you're thinking, what life is like right now, what you hope to accomplish, anything that feels like now to you. I want you to be able to refer back to this letter. On the right, fill the boxes. Write a little about your family and friends, the biggest bucket list item that you have this year, things that spark joy for you, things you're thinking about often, and where you hope to be at the end of the year. Each of these should just take a glance. We're saving time for today you and future you. Next is your happiness board. This is different than your dream board. You should fill this board with everything that you can think of that makes you happy. When you're feeling down, this is what you would want to look at. For example, I love wildflowers, hot chocolate, and old nightgowns. Next in your planner, you will find your challenges. Now, I suggest that you hold off on doing these challenges for a couple months at the beginning of the year and just focus wholeheartedly on mastering your time management system first. That being said, I think it would be wonderful to write the months at the top of each list that you would like to devote to doing these challenges. This next spread is all about changing our mindset. We want to always be thinking positively about our situations, ourselves, the people around us, and even our trials. There is a wonderful quote by a leader of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints that says, "No misfortune is so bad that whining about it won't make it worse." That really struck me when I heard that years and years ago, and I try to remember it every time I feel like wallowing in self-pity. Using this spread to change your approach to how you look at life will make a big difference in doing that. Your body is your instrument, and it needs care to be able to serve you well. You should exercise, absolutely, but exercise in ways that you love. Use skin products that bring you joy. Wear clothes that are your style. Take care of your body for you. Sometimes you need to revitalize your soul. By that, I mean stimulate yourself in ways that bring you joy. Remember all of the good that you have and have experienced. Recognize that sometimes you will be bored and sad, and think of ways to help yourself in those situations. For example, when I'm anxious, I can almost always ease my tension by playing the piano. Good health and a happy disposition is nothing if you don't have someone to share it with. I've always found the lack of service and connection in self-care to be a little sad. Studies have shown time and time again that close relationships, more than anything else, is what gives us lasting happiness in life. So in my opinion, it should never be discounted. Create family traditions, keep track of your family members' love languages and favorite things, brainstorm ways to serve and connect with your friends, neighbors, or the people in your community. Thank you for joining me in step 4. In step 5, we will be focusing on managing your health for the year. Step 4 has given us a special look into caring for our bodies and minds and their relationship to each other, but we can't discount the extreme importance that good health will have on our ability to participate in activities with others. Stick around for that next piece of the Mastering Your Year puzzle, managing your health.